Hey everybody, it's Mike from i-Blason, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Luna onto the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Firstly, thank you for purchasing the Luna. For those who need a case that's not only stylish but protective, the Luna is perfect because it offers all the protection you trust from i-Blason in a beautiful, kind of classy case. So this is a very easy installation. It's a one-piece snap-on cover. So what you're going to do is simply slide your S9 in at an angle and snap it right over the top of the phone and the rest of the sides until the Luna fits nice and snug. Just make sure that your camera is aligned with the case, your ports are aligned, your charger and headphone plugs in fine, and you're ready to go and show off your S9 or S9 Plus knowing you're safe and protected. Now if you ever drop your phone, the Luna's protective bumper, which is actually made of this impact resistant thermopolyurethane material, will absorb the shock. The back is scratch resistant, and the elevated bezel will protect your screen whenever you put your phone face down. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let us know if you have any questions or feedback. We love to hear from our fans. Links in the description below. And for the most durable and affordable cases and covers and more, visit i-Blason.com.